welcome in to another Woolly review. And today we have Knitcraft, which is Hobbycrafts over here in the UK. Hobbycrafts brand. Everyday Aran. So an Aran weight, or for those who have no idea what Aran means, it's worsted weight. 100 grams. This is in the colour cream tweed. Now there's only 2 of these tweed in the range. One of them I think is a grey with these speckles in it, and this one, the rest are solid colours, but there's only 12 colours altogether. Now where am I going to start? Where are you, my dear? Where are you? On with Beany. Now this is a giveaway prize, and so I can only do a small swatch, but I'm using the recommended 4mm hook with it. I didn't tell you what it's even made of. Oh my gosh. There it is, 100% acrylic, and on each one is 195 meters. All details are down below in the description though, should you choose to have a look. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yes, only a half swatch today, because I don't want to ruin it for the person it's going to, and I've just messed up that stitch completely. Oh, I've got a feeling this is going to be a squeaker. It's already getting a little bit pulley on the hook. Oops. Yeah, done it again. Well, this isn't a good start for this one. Okay, so I've just done a row of single crochets, and on that side we have a few speckles. We have a yellow here, 2 blues, a pink, a yellow there, a greeny yellow, some red, and a little bit of blue down there. And on the other side, a little bit of blue, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of yellow there, and that's it. So on this row I'm going to do half doubles. Now I did go looking to see if anywhere else was selling this, but it's only Hobbycraft currently, so I couldn't compare prices. £2.80 for the skein. I've got to say it's a fairly nice sized Aran weight. It's not too thin, not too thick. I'm just very aware that I'm having to watch very, very carefully what I'm doing, because I have the sense of splitting. Oops, that's supposed to be a half double crochet. Oh boy, have I been doing doubles? I don't know what I'm doing. We're not here to judge the crocheter, please. Do that in your own time. This is your time. This is your time. I've done some doubles in there, so we're just going to have to do half doubles and half doubles in the next and final row. I think this kind of colouring would make a really nice cardigan, or even a hat and scarf set. There is a little bit of stretch in there, and apologies for hitting the camera. And we're coming up to the end. Like I said, all details are down below in the description if you wish to take a gander. Go into the right place, Lisa. Be amazed what things can happen. Okay. So, stitch definition, not too bad at all, I don't think. It's not too bad. It's okay. It's not rough. I'd be okay to wear that against skin. Let's see what little Froggy thinks. Well, there we go. Half slow and half on a moped, and not bad with the kinkage. Not bad. Like that, it does feel, I mean, you expect every day to, you know, be cheaper, more of a value. I just lost a fleck. I lost a fleck. There you go. There you go. There you go. And yes, it certainly feels like, you know, the cheaper end. How much was on this again? 195 for 280. Would I turn my back on it? No, I don't think so. Would I be quite annoyed if that was the only cheap Aran in the place and I had no choice but to pick it? No. Would I say that it was on my top 10 of cheapest Arans? I wouldn't say it was in my cheapest Arans, but it wasn't too bad. I'm going to go for 3.5 on this one. I think £2.80 is a little bit much for an everyday one. It doesn't feel overly brilliant, and with only 12 colours you are quite limited. Yes, there's solid colours in there, there's 10 of them, and then 2 of the tweedies. It's okay, it's all right, it will get you by. You know, I wouldn't turn my nose up at it, but this is my opinion, and maybe you have your own. And if you do, heck, stick it down below in the comments. Let people see what you're thinking of it if you've tried it. And if you haven't tried it, would you? This is my woolly review. And if you fancy coming over next week, on Thursday, there will be another woolly review for a different wool. Ta-da! It's what we do here. Anywho, hope you have a good day. Subscribe if you'd like to. It is completely free, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.